Hi, good evening. My name is Olga Patricia Patiño Aldana. This is my homework 5. Describe which are the main sources of employment in your city. Say which are the largest companies. What are the main products of this company? Work sources in Bogotá are the construction industry, financial sector, tourism, and commerce. The large companies in the city of Bogotá and their products are companies of Bogotá, Ecopetrol, their products, Fuel for Colombia, Fondo Nacional del Café, products coffee, Eso Colombian Limited, product fields and lubricants, other company, Bavaria, products, beer and soft drinks, Colmotores, their products, cards, Cafán, Carulla, and Colsubsidio, products are schools, drugstore, health, education, insurance, tourism, housing, and hotels. Other companies of Bogotá, Banco de Colombia, their products, savings, credit, insurance, property, and real estate accounts. And public service company, their products like water and telephone, among others companies. It is the city with the best conditions to generate quality employment. In Bogotá, 0.5% of employment in salaried and generates 26% of salaried employment in Colombia. In the city of Bogotá, most of the companies with foreign capital are also located 1,100, 5,002 companies. More than 2,000 are multinationals and close to 50% of the largest companies in the country. In the bibliography is